All right, first grade. Today you need to find the last paper for how to make hot chocolate. This is it. This is the paper that's getting the grade. This is the paper that if you were in school, this one would go out in the hall because this is the finished product. Okay, so let's talk about some things that we want to remember. You already have your opening sentence, you've got your steps written down and complete sentences, but there are some things we really need to make sure when we're writing this last paper. Anybody know what I'm going to remember at the beginning of my paragraph and at the beginning of each sentence? I'm going to get capitals. Let me see if I can make this big enough for you to see it. Capitals. So I want to see at the beginning of your sentence right here, there should be a capital letter. What am I looking for at the end of each one of your sentences? I'm looking for some punctuation. And I know some of my kids like to write a question, like they might, for their closing sentence, they might put, isn't it delicious? Question mark. So I'm not going to put periods because some of you might need a question mark. Or some of you might put, it is so yummy with an exclamation mark. And that's pretty good too. So I'm going to put a period. You might use a question mark, or you might even need an exclamation mark. All right. One other thing that we need to work on it. We struggle with this. We forget this all the time. What do we need between our words? Spaces. Make sure you are using at least one finger. Finger space. Oh, that does not look like a hand. Just trying to make it look like a hand. In between your words so that I can tell where one word starts and one word stops. And will you please, best handwriting. And I know some of you have beautiful handwriting because I saw them on your AMIX days. Best handwriting. Okay, when you are finished, you need to take the best picture you can take with this. Make sure I can read it. Make sure Mrs. Worst can read it. These might even need to go up on the blog. I'll have to think about that. All right, let me see your best work, first grade.